We're going to take this on the road to experience SuperCruise, but first I'm going to show you how one-pedal driving works. So the benefit of one-pedal driving, not only do you not have to use the brakes in most situations, but it greatly reduces wear and tear on the vehicle and regenerates energy that would have been wasted in the brakes back into the vehicle. So I'm approaching a vehicle here. I'll slowly ease off the throttle and it automatically starts giving some brake force. With GMC Hummer EV, there's 3 one-pedal driving modes: off, normal, and high. So now I'm going to demonstrate SuperCruise. First, we must put cruise control on, and it must be on adaptive cruise control, and we can tell by the little half halo above the speed here. Once you've reached the speed you want, flick down on the set. When you see the steering wheel, it is now ready to be self-driven. Let go of the wheel and the gas and the brake, and the camera will monitor your activity. There's several benefits to SuperCruise. One, the driving where it's hands-free and pedal-free. 2, what it just did, automatic lane change. And thirdly, the camera will monitor if I'm paying attention or not. So unlike Tesla, I don't have to touch the steering wheel or check in every 20 seconds. So to turn off SuperCruise, you can either press cancel or press the brake or press the SuperCruise button. It'll alert you that you're getting ready to go into regular driving mode and just take over.